How to get a refund on Waitrose application. First, you want to open the Waitrose app, and here you will see a page which will look something like this. So you want to simply tap on this profile icon over here, and you'll be able to see a lot of options for customer service like get helper information, report online order issue, or request plastic my Waitrose card, contact us, or solve finder. Here, according to your demand, you want to simply tap on contact us over here. Click on continue to waitrose.com. Doing so, you'll be redirected to the official Waitrose website. Here you want to tap on allow all cookies first and simply scroll down here, and you can simply tap on email us over here. By doing so you'll be redirected to the Gmail application, and there you can write email to the official Waitrose, and you want to specify your problem over mail. Here you want to type it out all the details of your order and make an appeal for a refund, and if your reasons is valid, once the team reaches out to you, you will be able to get your refund. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.